Hello, everybody. This is Amol Khedkar. Today, I'll be talking about the article that you see on your screen, which I just heard. Kim Jong un dead. Multiple sources claim North Korean dictator died Saturday night. Before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the like button and the bell icon so that you can never miss an update from my side. Also, do share this video. Let's get to the video. So, Kim Jong un reportedly died on Saturday night, according to sources. This is an article from the Express in the UK. Okay. North Korea's supreme leader is dead, according to multiple sources coming out of North Korea and the Far East. Though, due to the hyper secretive nature of the pariah state, the exact picture remains unclear tonight. Okay. So, we don't know what exactly is the picture, but multiple sources are saying that this is a fact. Okay. Now, why does this matter, right? Because North Korea, as you all know, is a very secretive state. It's the last country that that is not part of the world market. Okay. Um, North Korea has nuclear weapons. That is also a very big deal. Come on, I mean, such a small country, and it is. I mean, there are proofs that North Korea definitely has nuclear weapons, and if this guy dies, okay, and many people are saying that he is dead, okay. So if that is true, then surely there is going to be a leadership crisis in North Korea very soon, and there might be even a civil war, right? So because this person was the successor of his father, who was again a dictator. So right now, as of my knowledge, there is nobody to succeed this person. There is his sister, but to be honest, I don't think that is the right line of succession. So there may be a civil war in North Korea, and that might spill over to South Korea. Okay, because what happens is that, as you know, from the Balkan region, Yugoslavia region, when one country goes into a civil war, it affects that entire region. Okay, so if North Korea goes into civil war, it is going to spill over to South Korea, it is going to spill over to Taiwan, it is going to spill over to China, it is going to spill over to Russia, it is going to spill over to Japan. Okay, that entire Northeast Asian region is going to go into crisis. Okay, the Korean Gulf has been a crisis zone for a long time now. Okay, but this might just be the breaking point of it. That is just my analysis. It was being reported as fact by media outlets in China and Japan that the 36-year-old dictator was dead. Other sources said he was on his deathbed in a vegetative state with no hope of resuscitation after botched heart surgery. Because of the nature of the ultra secret regime in North Korea, claims of Kim Jong un's death are very difficult to verify before an official state announcement. Okay, so that's what, like, there is no official state announcement at this point, but multiple sources from China and Japan are saying this. Okay, so to be honest, if there are multiple people saying the exact same thing, there might be some truth to it. Okay, because you cannot rely on North Korea completely. As you all know, there are many instances where North Korea is just not a reliable country. Okay, just that's just the honest truth, because North Korea has defied norms for long time. Okay, there are buildings on North and South Korea border that is literally empty. Okay, nobody can visit North Korea without the permission of the military of the country. When you visit North Korea, you are accompanied by the guard, the National Guard, all the time. So it's a hermit regime. Okay, so it is very hard to understand what is happening, but multiple sources from China and Japan and Hong Kong as well are saying that this is true. But a Hong Kong backed news channel vice director who claims to be the niece of a Chinese foreign minister made the announcement. Just look at this, okay? Who claims to be the niece of the Chinese foreign minister made the announcement that this guy is dead. Vice director of HKS TV, Hong Kong satellite television, says that a very solid source has told her Kim Jong un was dead. Okay. Further sources were reporting a Chinese medical team had been sent to North Korean capital Pyongyang. Hours ago, a Japanese weekly said the North Korea's dictator was in a vegetative state after complications from heart surgery. Okay, to be honest, this guy is just so fat, right? I mean, no offense to anybody, and I don't want to fat shame anybody, but the thing is that this looks pretty plausible, okay, because the kind of the kind of physical structure that Kim Jong Un has, it looks pretty plausible that he might die out of heart complications. A Chinese doctor who is believed to have been part of the team sent to treat Kim was reported as saying a delay in the simple heart procedure had left the leader severely ill. Now, to be honest, like in a country like North Korea, it is not that easy to get medical attention that properly, right? Because they don't have the kind of visibility with the outside world as the rest of the world has. So definitely, I'm not surprised by simple heart surgery gone wrong in North Korea. Reports of Kim's death sparked fears of major civil unrest in North Korea, believed to be a nuclear armed state. Look, exactly what I told right now. North Korea is a nuclear country. Do you know how insane is that? I mean, this is a very big thing, okay? A nuclear country which is a dictatorship. The leader of that country, the so-called dictator of that country, is when he's dead, there might be severe civil unrest, okay, there might be people will just come to the streets and start protesting. There might just be a civil war. Differing factions will just start fighting with each other, and that civil war is going to spill over to the entire region. And right now we are in this pandemic situation, as you all know. It is already just like a nightmare at this point, because more than 50,000 people are dead in America at this point. And on top of that, if something like this happens, this is just going to make things much more harder, okay. So it comes after insiders claim China has sent a team of doctors to North Korea to determine the status of Kim's health. So if this thing is true, okay, this is really a very big shock for the entire world. I will not even call it, I will not even mince my words and call it like just a shock for the Asian context, because this is something that is going to spill over to the entire world. There are only a few countries in the world that are nuclear armed, okay? And when any country has nuclear bomb, that is definitely something to be afraid of, because if a civil war breaks out in North Korea, you know uh, the nuclear option can be used. You cannot deny that, okay. And there are legitimate sources that say that North Korea definitely has nuclear resources at its disposal. So this is a pretty serious thing, and China, Russia, US, India, and all the other major powers really need to take this seriously, because if this goes on unnoticed, it is definitely going to hamper the world for a long time to come. So if you liked my analysis of this article, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And also share this article, share this video with your friends, so that they can become aware of the recent news. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.